Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best finds to help you make smarter shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best Thanksgiving gift bags bulk pack assorted autumn leaf pumpkin prints, the Kosiz 24 PCs fall gift bags. Whether you're planning a Thanksgiving dinner, fall party, or just looking for creative ways to package goodies, this product might just be the perfect seasonal touch. Let's start with what you get in the pack. Inside the set are 24 clear PVC gift bags. That's right, 24. That makes it an incredible option if you're preparing for a gathering, a classroom event, or even handing out treats in your neighborhood. Each bag is beautifully decorated with festive autumn designs, pumpkins, maple leaves, and little hazelnuts, giving off cozy fall vibes right out of the box. These bags aren't your average thin plastic party pouches. They're made from high-quality PVC, which makes them durable, reusable, and water-resistant. The clear design isn't just functional. It lets the colors of your gifts or treats shine through, adding an extra pop to your presentation. The print doesn't fade or scratch off easily either, which is always a plus when you're packing and unpacking. Let's talk size. Each bag measures around 8 inches tall and wide, with a depth of just over 3 inches. That means you can comfortably fit baked goods, mini loaves, toys, party favors, or even small homemade gifts. And thanks to the wide handles, they're easy to carry, no tearing or awkward crumpling. Visually, these bags blend right in with fall decor. Imagine them lined up at a Thanksgiving table setting or stacked in a basket near the door for your guests to take on the way out. They're festive without being over the top, which makes them versatile for both formal gatherings and casual get-togethers. Another thoughtful feature is their foldability. When not in use, these bags lie flat and can be easily stored without taking up much space. So if you don't use all 24 at once, no worries, just save them for next year. From classrooms to kitchens, these gift bags are designed with multiple occasions in mind. Whether it's a hostess gift, classroom party, office treat, or something for your relatives, the Kosiz bags fit the bill. Their universal fall theme makes them perfect not only for Thanksgiving but also for Halloween parties or general autumn events. So if you're looking to elevate your fall gifting game without breaking the bank, these Kosiz autumn gift bags deliver style, durability, and plenty of seasonal charm in one clear package. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more seasonal product breakdowns, right here on Product Critique.